New Zealand crowned a bird with a very unusual repertoire of mating rituals as the bird of the century. Australian crested grape or Pūtekeke, a threat, was thrown into global spotlight by John Oliver, a strong supporter, English-American comedian and talk show presenter. The announcement for annual 2-week competition winner was postponed 2 days after the competition was underwater with votes, and after Oliver's statement last week in a part of USA. Pūtekeke's official campaign manager appointed him. Oliver then wore a Pūtekeke costume to introduce the bird with Jimmy Fallon at The Tonight Show. The competition, which is managed by the environmental organization Forestandbird, normally receives 60,000 votes. But this year it jumped 350,000 in 195 countries and 290,374 is going to Pūtekekeke. The vote had been extracted. Island Brown Kivi, the national bird of New Zealand, ranks second with 12,904 votes, while the world's only Alp parrot, Clever Kea, came third with 12,060 votes. Pūtekeke is crowned Forestandbird Nz. The complainant about crowning of the bird century should not be aware of how it serves from day it has served. Bird CEO Nicola Toki said. Pūtekeke started as an external contestant for Bird of the Century, but it took highest rate thanks to his unique appearance, cute parent style and puking tendency. We were not surprised that these fascinating features caught the eye of an effective bird's passion with great follow-up. In southern part of Southern Island, Pūtekekeke nests in lakes and is considered vulnerable. A national protection project initiated in 2013. In 1980s, population has helped to rise below 1,000, a level of less than 200. Oliver's worryingly aggressive campaign, which defines itself for bird, has blocked efforts from local groups, including primary schools and universities, and tries to push their preferred furry friends to the top of leadership. Weird birds with colored blades. The bird, said Oliver. A billboard at the bus stop encourages comedian John Oliver's campaign of Pūtekeke's New Zealand's Bird of the Century. In 2005, competition was launched to raise awareness in case extinct due to promotion many domestic birds, many which were threatened by New Zealand disappearance and pest, human activity and promotion diminishing habitats. This year, organizers contained 5 extinct species on list and temporarily changed competition to Bird of Century to mark centenary of organization. More than 80 of our local birds are on the threat of species, Toki said. This Taonga treasures is assigned to protect under threat. The interruptions waiting in the protection department are a great concern, he said. The world follows how we look at us and our birds. Over years, competition has become a lightning for discussion. From a bat-crowned winner 2021 to Russian intervention 2019. And claims that Australians were trying to publish competition favor of Shag 2018.